Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 2 power, okay, exercise 2.1. So before discussing the chapter, I explain you some formulas, okay. When a to the power minus 1 means power, it is 1 by a to the power n, okay, in reciprocal. And simply when 1 by a to the power minus n, we can write a to the power n, okay. Now a by b to the power n means a by b to the power minus n means b by a to the power n, okay. And here a to the power 0 means 1 means any digits or rational number whose power is 0, it comes 1, okay. So what is the first question? We do one by one. Express each of the following as a rational number of the form p by q, okay, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, okay. So what is the first question? 2 to the power minus 3. So from this, by using this formula, we can write 1 by 2 to the power cube. And what is the 2 to the cube? It is 8. 2 to the power cube means we multiplied 2 into 3 times because power is 3. So we multiplied here. I write 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So it comes 8. Okay. Now what is the question? Second question. Second question is minus 4 to the power minus 2. So we write here 1 by minus 4 to the power square. So what is the square of 4? 4 square is 16. Okay. But here minus also removed because there is power is even. In even power, because there is even power, so we remove minus, okay. When odd power, it comes minus, okay. Now what is the question? 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. Here by using this formula we write from, okay, 1 by minus 1 to the power minus 5 means 1 because power of 1 is, any power of 1 is 1, but here 1 by minus 5. So by using this formula, okay, 1 by, we write here 2 to the power 5, okay, because here 1 by 2 to the power 5, so minus 5, so minus comes plus when it comes in numerator, okay. So 2 to the power 5 means we multiplied 5 times 2, okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, we get 32. So the result is 32. Now question number 2, find the values of the following, okay. So what is the first question? 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1. So we write 3 to the power minus 1 by 1 by 3 to the power 1. Power 1 means 3, okay. And here also minus power, so we write in 1 by 4 to the power 1. Power 1 means 4, okay. So we take LCM of 3 and 4, we get 12. When we divide it by 3, we get 4. So 1 into 4 plus when we divide it by 4, we get 3. So 1 into 3. So 4 1s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. So 4 and 3, 7 by 12. Okay. Now here second question, 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. So 3 to the power 0 means any power whose, any exponent whose power is 0 is 1, okay. So we write here 1 plus 1 by minus 4, we can write 1 by 4, okay. So we take LCM here and we add, we get 5 by 4, okay. And here 4, 2 to the power square means 4. So here 4 cancel, we get 5. Now question number 5, simplify 3 to the square plus 2 to the square into 1 by 2 to the power cube, okay. So what is the 3 to the square is 9 plus 2 to the square is 4, okay, into 1 by 2 to the power cube is 1 by 8, okay, 2 to the power cube is 8. So here 9 plus 4 13 by 8. So we write here 13 by 13 into 1 by 8 means 13 by 8, okay. Now here third question, 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3, okay, into divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus 3, okay. So we write here 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 means 3 to the power 3, because it is in minus, so we convert it in plus by using this formula, okay, a by b. So we write 3 by 1 means 3, okay. Here also 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 means 2 to the power 3, okay. Divide here also 1 by 4 to the power minus 3 means 4 to the power cube, okay. So 3 to the power cube means 27, because we multiplied 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3, minus 2 to the power cube is 8 divided by 64, okay. So 27 minus 8, it comes 19 by 64. Divide means 19 by 64 simply, right, okay.